We're here making a return for Lightning and Thunder with
the Ghost Chili. Boom, boom, boom.
the Ghost Chili. This is 100 times hotter than a habanero.
Stick.
It's so dry. It looks like paper.
I'm only eating a piece. I ain't eating the whole thing.
Yeah. We have Thunder here. He's gonna eat a little piece. How big? You want that big?
Yeah, that's fine.
I don't want to touch it.
Yeah.
We have bread to cool down the heat. For some reason, they told us bread. Oh, you don't have milk. He's gonna use water. Now the Ghost Chili is oil based, so water doesn't help. But he still wants to use water.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Lightning and Thunder fizzle out. The worst day of our lives. And as you can tell, I'm shaking. And I'm not even going. Yeah, I'm going next.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Do a
do it.
countdown.
Oh, it touched my face.
Do a countdown.
Wait. Oh gosh.
You gotta get up close to the camera so they can show you eating it.
Oh! I'm gonna lick it and see if I get any.
It's dry. I don't think you'll get anything.
Oh! I can feel it already. Oh my gosh, dude, I barely touched it. My tongue was burning. Alright.
Eat it fast. Eat fast. Eat
Alright.
it fast.
3. It's already burning. 3. I'm gonna fold it up. I'm just gonna swallow it. No, I'm gonna chew it. Oh man. 3, 2. Oh my god!
Gosh.
Oh!
Its heat level is 1 million.
Oh my gosh.
Water does not even help.
Probably won't. I just needed something to push it down. Oh, immediately made it worse. Oh my god. Bro, you don't know what you're up against. Oh. Oh. You have no idea what you're up against, bro. Oh. Oh, dude, it's like burning my throat for real. Ah!
There's bread.
Well,
Right here.
this doesn't work, Frankie. You lied to me, bro. Oh. You can still, I'm still eating. I hot. It is so hot. I honestly, that piece was the worst piece I've ever. Oh. Frankie, your bread trick didn't even work. You lied to me.
Forgot to get Cool Whip.
Oh. Alright. Marcus is up next.
I don't want a little one.
Bro, get the little, I'm telling you, get that little one. Bro, your mouth gonna be on fire.
There's like a little piece.
Well, that's the same size that you got.
You
Should just finish it off.
I ain't no punk. I'm Marcus.
Oh, great.
I'm a man. Ghost Chili. You're going down. Oh my god, I'm shaking.
I'm telling you, boy.
Alright, 1, 2.
Oh, man. Bro, hurry up, boy.
The sponge doesn't hit you automatically. Or how. Oh, screw that.
The sink's right there. I'm telling you what I told you. Swallow that mug. Well, I told you, man. Boy, you better start chugging. There's a sink right there because you're about to throw up. You don't got it in your mouth.
Yeah, I had it in my mouth the whole time. I immediately started crying.
I told you, boy. Oh my gosh. Mine's gone now. Oh wait, never mind. It's still coming. Oh my gosh. I told you that thing was hot.
I can't describe the taste.
Boy, you're gonna have that taste in your mouth for a while.
Drinking the milk brings down the pain all. Oh my gosh.
Oh, and then just immediately.
Brings the pain all the way down, but then it comes back up. Oh gosh. I'm crying.
Oh, you're crying. We have met our match. Bro, your face is like super red. Why are you holding it? Drink milk, fool.
No, I'm not a pump.
I am. Once I ate it.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, I'm trying to drink it, bro.
It feels like someone is holding a flamethrower into my mouth right here.
I got ice on my tongue. That's so good. I don't feel like eating it. Dang!
Oh man, boy.
What if you don't eat it all?
Oh, I don't help at all. I feel like it's not working.
It is still hot. My mouth is on fire. This food can't even. The food's barely alive. Oh my gosh, dude. Any words to our 3 fans?
Don't do that. Don't try this at home, kids.
You know, people were saying, who was it? Jesse punked out. Nico and Chris saying, save us one. I'm telling you, if you're watching this video, you are not going to be able to do that.
Angel's not either.
Angel do it, but I swear, bro, that's gonna kill you. It is so hot. Like, both of our stomachs are literally on fire, cramping. We have to throw up.
In the same area, it's cramping.
Yeah, same exact. Right here, in this area, it burns like crazy. We were both crying for about 30 minutes. The bread trick made it worse. For real. Oh my gosh.
It hurts when I laugh.
It's so hot. Oh man, it hurts me too. I still got I think I have a seed stuck in my mouth somewhere because the burn will not go away. Oh my goodness.
I'm sorry I couldn't describe the taste to y'all. Alright, when I ate it, it was horrible.
Oh my gosh.
Poor man. We did it.
Yeah, at least we can say we did. Well, I did some of it. And I feel manly enough that I will never do that again, ever. Or if somebody pays me, I'll do it again. You gotta pay me a lot of money to do that again, for real. Like $2 to do that again. That was a lot. Oh man, smell that. Stuff stinks. No, I told the camera. Yeah, you see what we do just to entertain you guys?
You see what we do just to get 100 views on YouTube?
This better get at least 50 views within the first 50 days.
Signing off.
Signing off indefinitely. Oh my gosh, my stomach hurts. Alright. I'm signing off. Just to let you guys know, you cannot, and I repeat, cannot handle this pain.